Here's a quick guide on how to clean a blender right. Grease and stuck bits are the usual problems. I'll show steps that actually make it fresh again. Grab dish soap, a sponge, a brush, and vinegar. Also have baking soda, a towel, and a small brush. Clear the counter and make sure the unit is unplugged. Remove the jar from the base and take off the lid. If your blender has a removable gasket and blade, take them out. Put all parts on the towel to keep counters dry. Fill the jar halfway with warm water and soap. Put the lid on and pulse the blender for 30 seconds. This loosens stuck food and makes scrubbing easier. Dump the soapy water and scrub the blade assembly carefully. Use a brush or toothbrush to get into crevices. Scrub the lid and gasket with the sponge too. For burned or sticky bits, make a baking soda paste. Apply it to the problem area and let it sit 10 minutes. Rinse well after soaking to remove the paste completely. Rinse every part under warm running water until clear. Wipe the motor base with a damp cloth, avoiding seams. Do not submerge the base or run it wet. Dry parts with a towel and reassemble the blender. Put a little water in the jar and run briefly. Check for leaks and make sure the blade spins freely. Smell the jar and check for leftover stains and odors. If it's clean and dry, store it with the lid off. You're done. The blender smells fresh and ready. And that's it.